Hello everyone, welcome to December's PV Promotions Review. Can you believe it? December is already here, and just like that, we're wrapping up another year. For many of us, this season is all about giving to others, but it's also a really great time to give back to yourself, whether it's a thoughtful gift or a quiet moment to recharge. In the holiday rush, let's please remember to slow down and savor moments of self-care. And with our December PV gifts, you will find ways to make each moment a little bit more meaningful. At 120 PV, we have cassia essential oil. Cassia has been cherished for centuries by ancient cultures from Egypt to China, and it's easy to see why. Today, you can experience its many benefits without the time travel. Cassia is closely related to cinnamon bark, sharing many of the same cleansing properties, but with a slightly sweeter aroma. The cozy scent promotes feelings of balance, concentration, inspiration, and creativity. Cassia can also encourage a sense of purpose and identity, which makes it perfect for the holidays. So, imagine unwinding with a luxurious bath, add cassia and a carrier oil for a relaxing spa-like experience. Or you can try and blend it into your favorite beauty products to help promote radiant, healthy-looking skin. At 190 PV, we are offering Thieves Dentarem Ultra Toothpaste, perfect for a deep clean that keeps your smile bright and healthy. Infused with Young Living's exclusive Thieves blend and peppermint essential oil, this toothpaste also features non-GMO papain from papayas and zinc citrate, which can really help keep your gums happy and freshen your breath. It's a great way to start your day with a naturally confident smile. To help you stay centered amid holiday busyness, we have the Grounding Essential Oil Blend at 250 PV. This unique blend of white fir, black spruce, ylang-ylang, pine, cedarwood, angelica, and juniper creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for the seasonal chaos. Try wearing it as a personal fragrance to foster feelings of confidence and clarity, or apply it to your neck and temples for a grounding effect. At 350 PV, we are offering the luxurious Rose Ointment. It's a versatile balm, perfect for your lips, your cuticles, elbows, knees, and generally anywhere that needs some extra care. Simply massage it into dry skin as you need and enjoy the nourishing benefits of premium botanicals and pure essential oils like rose and tea tree, just to name a few. Rose Ointment is gentle enough for daily use. It's been enriched with Murano butter for added hydration, so it's great as a gift all through the winter and all year round too. At 400 PV, enjoy free shipping and a sweet treat for you this month, our Young Living Spinning Wheel Oil Rack, which has been crafted from 100% pine and birch. This rotating rack makes it really easy to select the perfect oil to match your mood. And finally, at 500 PV, we have something extra special, our new Diamond Ultrasonic Diffuser. This stylish diffuser, with its diamond-inspired design and customizable lighting options, it fits beautifully in any decor. This diffuser is only available for a limited time, so don't miss out. We all need a little sanctuary to unwind from the holiday hustle and bustle, so the soothing glow and gentle mist from this diffuser will help you create that perfect space. It runs up to 8 hours on intermittent mode with 11 lighting settings, including a candlelight flicker. Available for a limited time, this diffuser can transform any room into a relaxing sanctuary. And that's it for December. I hope this month brings you plenty of moments of self-care along with special time spent with your family and friends. Here's to a December filled with gratitude and excitement for what's to come in the new year.